So, got the fork here with a small handle on. I'm just going to turn over some of these. That's a sycamore tree we've taken down behind us here. I'll switch heads as well. Can quite easily take that one off if I want to. Put a slightly longer one on. There we go. So I can actually bend with this one because it's a slightly longer handle. So we get a bad back. That's pretty good. And then if I want, I can swap this one for a longer one. There we go. That's even better for the back. It'd be so much better obviously if this was a nice raised bed and we're just turning it over already prepared and whatnot earlier. Just getting a little bit of weeds off and turning it over. And we're mixing in a bit of compost. And if we want to the trowel. And again, you've got the different stages of handle. Keep swapping the handles. There we go. Go slightly longer. There we go. Seems strange having a trowel on the long one, but I tell you what, if you've got some intricate work to do, not in this big area but small area, and you want to stretch your back out, it's ideal. So this is the soil rake on the multi-change system. So Wolf-Garten, offering a 35-year guarantee. They've been making tools since 1922 and the multi-change system was introduced in 1982. So I think after this I'm going to start collecting these because they're very useful. So here we go. A bit more of an area to clear now. Talked about the sort of shock absorption involved in these handles as well. So not only is it very light, but you can't feel that reverberation in there. Tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, whatever. It's pretty good. So sometimes before you get anywhere near the patch where we're going to be growing our own stuff, there's other jobs that need doing as well. So we are in the horse arena at the moment, and as you can see, there's some grass that's growing through. We need to get rid of it so the horse doesn't snaffle it up and get some sand into the bargain. Now Serena here has got the push-pull hoe from Wolf-Garten, and there's that satisfying click. Right, crack on. Yeah, I think we got that. Crack on. So this is making mincemeat of this, and it's normally very hard work to get this up. Now, this push-pull hoe has got a blade on the front and the back, and it goes in below the soil level, and it cuts on the way out and on the way back as well. So it's really clearing this up a treat. Bit of fertiliser there for later. Let's have a look at the soil miller. There we go. What a lot of work that's been. Thoroughly enjoyed using the multi-change tool system from Wolf-Garten. We've done a lot of grafting in and around the garden, doing stuff on and off the plot. The tools have been absolutely fabulous, and as you can see behind me here, I've got them neatly lined up. I might have to invest in one of their little racks that they do, or big racks, should I say, because there are over 50 of these tool heads that you can have for the 11 handles. I love the fact that you can select, chop and change the heads. So it's been an absolute pleasure to use these tools. I'm going to start collecting these now. I think it's going to give something the in-laws to buy me for Christmas and birthdays. Yeah, all good. Thoroughly enjoyed it. If you have got any questions about any of the tools at all, please just drop us a line on social media. We're on Twitter or X, we're on Facebook and Instagram. So find us and drop us any questions you have.